so talked to him really quick. Didn't see anything that was $50 cool, which was basically all their t-shirts were around 50 bucks. Nothing against them. It ain't $50 cool. I ain't buying $50 t-shirt. Especially if it ain't got no licensing or anything like that with it. I did have to add another 8 ounces of oil, so we're right about it needing 8 ounces of oil for about 350 miles, which isn't terrible, but I mean it's still means I'm adding a quart. Needing to add. It's going through about a quart every 1,500 miles, so and that's just not. But so we're going to take a different route back. Instead of doing the gorge, we're going to do Old 91. It was recommended to me by one of the sales guys, so I'm going to try it. We're going to see if it's any good. He said he lives over that way, and that's the way he goes, and he likes it, so we're going to do it. Okay, 6.3 miles to Highway 90 to Highway 34. It's going to take me like an extra 20 minutes or so to get to do it, but who cares? I can't even check in for another 40 minutes, so who cares? Who cares if it takes an hour instead of 45 minutes? I just crossed into the Indian reservation. It says 27 miles this way to get back to Interstate 15 going around the gorge. Wow, they're actually cheap here. Duty free, that's probably why. We come back this way, we're definitely going to stop there and get gas. Bunch of red rock formations too. It's not Needles or Iron Mountain, but it's not bad. think that's basically all the good stuff, so I'll pick this up as I get close to the hotel for tonight. See you in a little bit. Alright, back in the Silver State, the battle-born state. Alrighty, let's get off and get checked in and gorge my face on something. I don't know what yet. They're advertising a prime rib special. You know, that might be what we go with, what I go with tonight. I don't know. Let's see. Hotel registration over there. Alright, let's go ahead and park and get checked in. Oh, no, it says emergency. I was hoping that was hotel registration parking. Alright, so it was a good day. Let's get checked in, see where we're going, and maybe I'll capture in the room, maybe I'll see you in the morning. Either way, later guys.